Hello everyone! My name is Mrs. Honey and we're going to do lots of fun learning today. I've got a surprise for you. Will you say ready, steady, go with me and then I will get it out. Ready, steady, go! Ta-da! Look at this! This is what's this called? Yes, it's a tractor. Look how big it is. It's an enormous tractor. And what colour is it? It starts with yellow. It's yellow. Look, it's got a face as well. It's got eyes and a mouth. Yeah. And do you know what this is called? On the tractor, you've got a horn. Yeah, it's a horn. Shall I toot the horn? Yes. All right then. Will you say ready, steady, go with me? Ready, steady, go! Ha! That's a funny noise. And look at these dials. Here, the farmer can see how fast he is going. And he can also see how much fuel he's got left, if he needs to fill up the tank. And what are these called? What are these? Yes, those are the wheels. Wheels. And on the outside there is the tyres. Wheels and tyres of the tractor. Shall we count how many wheels the tractor's got? Will you count with me? Let's go. We'll start over here. 1, 2, and then we'll turn it round. 3, 4. The tractor has got 4 wheels on it. That's good. Right, I wonder where the engine might be. The engine is right in here in the front of the tractor. And the engine makes the tractor drive and it can make the tractor go. What's this called? Yeah, this is the seat. It's to sit on the tractor and drive the tractor. Sit here and then you can ride it. What's this part called? It's the steering wheel. Yes, you can move the steering wheel from left to right and it makes the tractor wheels move. And then you can go in different directions with the tractor. That's the steering wheel. Anything else we've got on our tractor? Oh yes, I've seen something. What are these? Yes, those are the lights of the tractor. And they sometimes go on and off, on and off. Can you say that? On and off, on and off. Good job. Let's sing a song about a tractor. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor go round and round all day long. The wipers on the tractor go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the tractor go swish, swish, swish all day long. The motor on the tractor goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the tractor goes vroom, vroom, vroom all day long. The horn on the tractor goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the tractor goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The door on the tractor goes open and shut, open door on the tractor goes open and shut all day long. The light on the tractor goes on and off, on and off, on and off. The light on the tractor goes on and off all day long. The farmer on the tractor goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The farmer on the tractor goes up and down all day long. Great job! That was a fun song about the tractor. Shall I tell you some fun facts about tractors? All right, so tractors have lots and lots of different jobs on a farm. Tractors can pull a plough to dig up the soil in a field. So you would put a plough on this attachment here, attach it onto here, and then when the tractor drives, it pulls the plough along, and the plough digs up the soil and mixes up the soil in the field. Let's have a look what that looks like. Next fact, a tractor can transport things in its trailer. Ready? Look, this tractor's now got a trailer and it can transport maybe food to animals, or it can transport water, it can transport seeds, it can transport lots and lots of different things on the farm in its trailer. And the last fact about tractors on the farm is that they can transport and stack big hay bales. Let's see what that looks like. Now you've learned that tractors are used on farms. Sometimes tractors are also used on a construction site. They look a little bit different, and they are on the construction side and they're doing lots and lots of building. They're building houses and swimming pools and nurseries and schools and lots of other things. Do you want to play with the construction toys? Yes? Let's go! Yay, look at this! This is our construction area. Do you want to have a go playing at the construction area? Yeah! Look what I've got! What's this called? It's it's a digger, that's right! It's a digger. And what is this thing at the front of the digger? The red thing here. Yeah, it's the bucket or shovel from the digger. Yeah. What colour is the digger? Colour is yellow. The digger is yellow and a little bit grey and red, and the wheels are black. That's right. Now here we've got some gravel, and the digger needs to move the gravel from the box over to this area. Let's see. So we're going to open the shovel and we dig the gravel. And we pour it out. Let's do it again. We're gonna dig up the gravel, and we'll pour it out. Again. And we'll dig dig the gravel and we'll pour it out. Let's do it a bit quicker. We'll dig the gravel and we'll pour it out. Well done, digger. I've got another construction vehicle. Let me show you what it is. Look at this. There is the other construction vehicle. Do you know what this is called? This is a front loader. Sometimes people just say loader. We're going to say front loader because it's got the big shovel at the front and it can load up some gravel and move the gravel with the big shovel. So let's see what the front loader can do. We're going to scoop some gravel, and now we're not going to tip it out. Look what the front loader can do. Are you ready? Are you going to say go? I'm going to say ready, steady, and you're going to say go. Ready, steady, go! Did you see that? It moved the shovel up. It moved the shovel up. Shall I see if it can move the shovel back down? Yes. Let's say down, and maybe the front loader will move the shovel down. Ready, steady, down. It did it! Well done. Let's do it again. What do we need to say now for the shovel to go up? That's right. Shovel, please go up. It did it again. And front loader, please put your shovel down. Amazing. I also think it's got another button here. Let's see what this button does. Ready, steady, go! Did you hear that? That is what's that called? It's the horn. Yes, that's the horn of the front loader. Do you want to listen to it again? Yes? All right, let's do it again. Ready, steady, go! Amazing. And did you see the lights? What the lights are doing as it's horning? Watch. Did you see that? The lights were going on and off, on and off. Yeah. Right, I think we're ready to tip out the gravel again. Tip it out. Yeah, thank you, loader. I found another construction vehicle. Look at this one. Do you know what this is? This is called a dump truck. That's right. It's a truck and it can put gravel in here and then it can dump it back out. Shall we try it? All right, so the digger is going to load up the dump truck with some gravel. Ready, steady, go! Dig, dig, dig the gravel and we pour it out. Look, the gravel is in the dump truck. Now the dump truck drives off, brum, 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 and it dumps the gravel. Let's try that again. The digger's gonna dig, dig, dig up the gravel and pour it out. There it is. I think we've got a little bit more room. We can do that again. We're gonna dig, dig, dig up the gravel and we pour it out. There. The dump truck is full now. Ready, steady, dump. Brum, 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 brum. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, well done. Good job, construction crew. I had so much fun today. I hope you did too. Hopefully, see you again soon. Bye bye.